Hello, do you know how to write the number 4? So the number that is written just here, but do you know how to write it in words? If you don't, that's fantastic because I'm here to help. But if you do know, that's great, play the next games and we'll see you the next one. So if you don't know though, this is the number 4. So you start with number 1, then 2, 3, then you're on 4. Now, to spell number 4, you do it like this. It starts with F, or Th, O, or O, U, or and R, or R. So this is how you spell 4. It's not spelt other ways that some kids do it, that it's not spelt like that. That's not how you do it. But this is how you spell 4. Okay, so use this information, play the next games, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!